Keep me coming back.
Making a 5-ingredient, super simple casserole that is a favorite from my husband's childhood. Let's get into it. We are gonna start off with a box of stovetop, a can of cream of chicken, and a can of chicken noodle. Now, side note, I am doing this in just I think this is what, a 9x9 pan, feeding 2. If you are feeding a family, a bigger family, and you wanna make a 9x13, just double it. To your bowl, we're just gonna mix your soups together. So chicken noodle in, cream of chicken in. To your stuffing, you are going to add 1 stick of melted butter and a 1/4 cup of water. Just want the stuffing mix to get moist. What mine looks like. Okay, and then you have, I did 1 chicken breast. I just cooked it and chopped it really fine, kind of like shredded it. To your pan, you are going to put half of your stuffing mixture. Going to throw on the chicken. Now you're gonna cover that with your soup mixture. Rest of the stuffing mix. I love making food from our childhood. Just takes you back, memories, right? What is your favorite childhood food that just takes you back every time you eat it? Cover this with foil. I'm gonna throw it into the oven, 350. It'll cook up in about 20-25 minutes. It's gonna be ooey gooey delicious.